Hi, my name's Steve White. I'm an attorney in Rhode Island. I practice in the state and federal courts, litigation on behalf of plaintiffs and businesses. One of the most fascinating cases I've had came at the very beginning of when I opened my office here in Warwick in 1999. The first thing I did was establish a website, srwesq.com. And at that time, there really wasn't that much competition. And I had the website, and within a few months of setting up my office here, I got a call from a gentleman from upstate New York who had been injured on a overnight fishing trip from Narragansett out to about 50 miles southeast of Nantucket. And they were out fishing, and on the way back, he laid down on a bunk and was pitched from the bunk by the sea because there was no lee board on the bunk. And when the rock and pitch of the boat moved out from under him, and he slammed down on the deck and broke his hip. And he called me, found my name on the internet, called me, and we pursued that case for him against the fishing vessel operator. Well, this case turned on the fact that the crew bunks that the passengers would sleep on did not have what's called a lee board. If you're lying on the bunk, there's supposed to be some kind of a board in front of it that would keep you from rolling out. And lo and behold, while there's no lee board on the passenger bunks, you look upstairs in the captain's quarters and there's lee boards around all the bunks in the captain's quarters. They had radio equipment on in the bunks. They said, well, we didn't sleep on those bunks. Well, why did you have your radio equipment behind these lee boards? Well, we didn't want the radio equipment to get pitched out and broken. Okay, well, that's that seemed to make a big difference when we tried the case, that little bit of evidence. And what I like about the law and being a lawyer is being able to solve problems. You know, people will come to you with a question that you often know the answer to just from your experience or your study, and you can answer quickly. Other times the answer, you won't know it immediately, but you'll know how to get the answer, and you can research the law to come up with a solution. And the most satisfying part is being able to provide a solution to a friend or a client, and knowing how to get there and having them rely on you to get to a result that's satisfactory and successful. There's no way you can replace what's been taken from an injured person, and the only way that our system allows for any kind of recovery is monetary. Many plaintiffs would tell you, I don't really want money, I just want my life back. And the only way you can give them any of their life back is measuring it in some way financially.